Hello guys, BLK Kibs here. Today, we're going to test out the new rosewood switch from Akko. If you're looking for a deep sounding linear switch, this is perfect for you. This switch features a nylon stem, a PA12 top housing, and a PA6 bottom housing, creating a unique material combination. Maintaining the classic 4mm total treble, the 22mm spring ensures a snappy feels without any mushiness. This comes factory loop out of the box, but if you want to make it sound deeper and make it smoother, try looping it with 205G0. Take a listen to the stock sound test. I like the deep sound, though you'll notice a slight ping and scratchiness, maybe because of the inconsistent lubing, but not an issue if you're hand lubing it afterwards. I can say this is similar to the old Akko Matcha Green in terms of sound, but this is slightly deeper. This switch is priced at $27.98 and 1,370 in Philippine pesos. In my opinion, this is actually good for its price, considering the deep sound signature it makes. The only cons I experience in this switch is a slight scratch I mentioned earlier. But other than that, it's bang for the buck. You can order this switch at their website akkogear.com or at Shopee PH. I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. See you again on the next one.